A very good morning from Khandwala Securities Limited and welcome to Friday's trading action at Dalal Street dated May 13th, 2022. It's Friday the 13th. Friday the 13th is considered an unlucky day. The number 13 is taken seriously probably because it is positioned after 12, which is considered to be a complete number by numerologists. Think about it, there are 12 months, 12 zodiac signs, 12 gods of Olympus, 12 apostles of Jesus. The list goes on and 13 is only divisible by itself. Probably the number 13 is just beyond that perfect 12 and it makes people feel uneasy. The big question this Friday the 13th, will today's session be ill-fated and pan out to be an unlucky day for investors? Honestly speaking, caution likely to be in the air as investors worry pile up and you can blame it to inflation. Well, India's CPI inflation has galloped to 8-year high of 7.79%. Hurting sentiments further is the fact that food inflation has jumped to 8.38% from 7.68% in March. This raises the odds of a rate hike in June by the RBI. So, investors need to brace for volatility in the near term amidst the likelihood of a back-to-back rate increase in June 2022. Long story short, bear market likely to attack in Friday's session as well. Honestly speaking, the fear of an economic slowdown is more profound than it appears. We say so because US stock indices traded lower on Thursday as concerns about lingering inflationary pressures weighed across several asset classes. Economic data showed slowing wholesale inflation in April, but still intense price pressures. Meeting forecast, price rose 0.5% in April from a 1.6% jump in March. Prices over the year slowed down to 11% from 11.5%. Meanwhile, weekly jobless claims rose 1,000 to 203,000 in the week ended May 7th, the Labour Department reported. And another main reason for the fall can be attributed to relentless selling from the FIS camp. FIS continue to be net sellers for the 8th straight month since October 2021. Well, in order to gain traction on the buy side, FIS camp need to participate on the buy side and that too with humongous numbers. Now, before we get into details, here is the preferred trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty current market price 15,808. Sell at current market price. 6 stop at 16,137. Targets 15,657 and then at 15,201. Aggressive targets at 14,901. Bank Nifty current market price 33,532. Sell at current market price. Strict stop at 34,651. Targets 33,001 and then at 32,451. Aggressive targets at 31,851. Outlook for Friday the 13th coupled with sell in May and go away at edge likely to rule investors' mindset. The Nifty options data for May series suggests Nifty is likely to be in a trading range of 15,600 to 16,600 zone. Maximum call open interest at 17,000 followed by 16,000 strike price. So the 16,000 mark will be Nifty's crucial resistance zone. Maximum put open interest stands at 16,000 levels followed by 15,000 levels. Call writing was seen at 16,100 and then at 15,800 strike price, while there was meaningful put writing at 15,600 and then at 15,700 strike price. In Thursday's trade, FIS sold shares worth Rs 5,255.75 crores, while DIS bought shares worth Rs 4,815.64 crores. Stocks banned in FNO segment for today: India Bulls Housing Finance and PNB. That's all we have for now. For any queries, do contact us at 022 4076 7373 and do visit our website www.kslindia.com. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that the stocks mentioned in this podcast are only for educational purpose. Khandwala Securities Limited or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on the stocks mentioned in this podcast.